table show the value of x and y such that y equal to a b x to the power x squared. A and b are constant. We need to draw a straight line graph to show that y equal to a b x squared. Okay, so we learn both sides. Then we have the ln y equal to ln a plus x squared ln b. Okay, so the ln y equal to ln b multiplied with the x squared plus ln a. So we have the capital Y equal to m capital X plus c. So the capital X and capital Y will be ln y and x squared. Okay, so ln y and x squared. So what we need to do now is we need to find the value of the ln y and x squared. Okay, so we need to find the value of ln y and x squared to draw the graph. Okay, so we have to find the ln y and x squared. Okay, so we use the calculator. Then we have the x squared and we have the ln y. So 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, and then we have the 1.5 square is 2.25. So 2.25, and then 2.5 square will be 6.25. Yes, and then we have the ln y, so that is the ln 6. Okay, they didn't ask us to use ln or log. Okay, so I will prefer to use ln. I will prefer to use ln. Okay, it will give you the same answer. So we have the, but normally in this chapter we will use log instead of ln. So ln 6, and then this one is ln y. Okay, so ln 6, and then we have the ln 14.3, and then we have the ln 48, and then we have the ln 228, and we have the ln 1536. Okay, we write correct to 2 decimal point: 1.79, 2.66, 3.87, 5.43, and then 7.34. Okay, so we need to draw this one. X-axis we have 1 until 9. Okay, so we have 1 until 9 here at the x-axis. We don't have a negative value here. Yes, okay, so we have 1 until 9. And then the y-axis also we can do something like this. Okay, So we have 1 2 3 4 5 cannot 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 also cannot. Okay, so we have 2 4 6 8 10. This is the x square. And then 7 point something. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So for this one it is ln y. Okay, so we have the 0 1 2, and then 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have the 1 1.79, 1 1.8, so 1.5 1.6 7 1.8, so 1 1.8. And then we have the 2.2 5 2.3 so 2.3 2.66 2.3 2.3 somewhere here, and then 2.66 2.3, and then 2.66 2.2 2.3 2.5 2.6 2.66 will be somewhere here. Okay, and then we have the 4 3.87 4 3.87 4 3.87 will be somewhere here. And then 6.25 6.3 5.43 5.43 6.25 6.25 5.43 5.43 somewhere there. 5.4 6.25 5.43 will be somewhere here. 5.43 9 7.34 7.35 8 9 9 7.34 7.34 9 7.34 somewhere here. Okay, and then we try to connect all the points, try to connect as many points as possible. Okay, draw the line of best fit. So line of best fit is something like this. Okay, can I write something like this? One. Okay, can. So almost pass through all points, just one point not pass. Okay, okay, I try to draw again. Okay, it should be something like this. And then 1.1 1.1. Okay, so we have 1.1 there. So I will try to use a point here. So this point to find the gradient. So it's somewhere here. Okay, I will take the one of the point in the middle, in the second last there. Okay, So between the last point and the second last point to find the gradient. So we have the 0 1.1 here. Okay, so we have the 0 1.1 here. Okay, so this one is this. Okay, 0 1.1 here, and then we have the 8. And then we have the 8 6.5 6.6 8 6.6. Okay, so 0 1.1 0 1.1 and then 8 6.6. Okay, so the point that we get from this is we have the 0 1.1 8 6.6. So the gradient is 6.6 minus 1.1 over 8. Then we have the 5.5 over 8. Okay, so we have 5.5 over 8. So we have the 0.6875. And this is the gradient. Gradient is ln b. So we have the ln b here. So b will be the e to the power of 0.6875. So we have the exponent of answer. Then around 2 lah, 1.99 2. Okay, 1.99 or 2 lah. Okay, so around 2. Okay, in the schema is accept the range from 1.6 until 2.4. So if your answer is between 1.6 and 2.4, then they will give you the mark for the answer marks as long as your step is correct. And then the C, that is the y-intercept. So the ln A is 1.1. Then the A will be e to the power of 0.1. So we have the e 1.1, then is 3. And the answer, they allow 2.5 until 3.6. Okay. Then C, we need to estimate the value of x when y equal to 100. Okay, so we have the y equal to 100, and then in the graph we have the ln y. So we have the ln y will be the ln 100. So we have the ln 100, then it's 4.6. So we go to the graph, find 4.6. So y is 4.6 here, 4.5 4.6, y equal to 4.6, and then we find the value of x. X squared, okay, is 4.5. So we have the x, this is 4.6. Then we get this x squared is 4.5. So we have the x squared from graph. We have the x squared equal to 4.5, then x will be square root 4.5. So we have the square root 4.5, then we have 2.12. So 2.12. Okay. So answer scheme, they accept the value 2.0 until 2.7. Okay. So this is what I normally do lah. And then in Malaysia we have SPM. Normally they ask the student to do it this way, but in the IGCSE they allow we solve it the other way. So we have the ln y equal to we have the ln y equal to ln b x squared plus ln a. So just now we have the 5.5 over 8. 5.5 over 8 is 11 over 16. That is the gradient. So we have the ln y equal to 11 over 16 x squared, and then plus ln a. Ln a is 1.1 plus 1.1. Okay, so we have the ln y is ln 100. So ln 100 minus 1.1 equal to 11 over 16 x squared. Then the x squared will be 16 over 11 ln 100 minus 1.1. So we have this one is the 16 over 11 multiply ln 100 minus 1.1. So 5 point something this is y is 100 ln 100 minus 1.1, and then this is ln b. Ln b is the 11 over 16 x squared. So ln 100 minus this one multiply 11 16 divided by 11. Then we have the x squared is this, then this is 2.25. Yes, okay, so we will have the value of 5.1. okay, 5.1 here, and then the x will be the square root of 5.1. then we will have the 2.26. okay, so it's still between the range. Okay.